Today we're going to be working with Photopea. Photopea is pretty much a professional image editing software. It's free online and you work through the internet. I've made it very simple for you. All you have to do is click on the link here within the presentation, and that will open up Photopea preloaded with the template that we're going to use in this first tutorial. So first thing to get yourself orientated is that you have your ads on the right-hand side because this is a free software. On the left-hand side, you have the toolbar. You have selection tools with the arrow and other selection tools. You then have the brush tool. Let's see if I can click on that. Can't. You have the text tool and some color tools. In the top menu, the tools that we're going to be dealing with today that would concern ourselves is File for saving and opening. We have the Edit tool or menu, and we're going to be dealing with Transform, mostly with Scale and Distort. We're going to be transforming with Scale and Distort. The other menu item is the Image menu item, which has all the color saturations and invert and black and white selections. And then Layer. The last thing I'm going to show you is about Layer. You can duplicate layers. You can fill layers with different filters. And the layer palette is right here on your right-hand side. So I've preloaded it already with 2 layers. You can click on the top cage template, select your arrow key, and you can kind of move that around and play with it, get it into its place. But what we're going to do with this assignment, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Google Images. And we're going to select out some patterns. We're going to go look up geometric patterns. We're going to find some geometric patterns. We're going to copy them by right-clicking and copying the image and then pasting it into the Photopea template. Just Command V, or you can go to Edit, Paste. Once you have it in, what we're going to do is I'm going to scale it or actually distort it. I'm going to go Edit, Transform, Distort, and I'm going to fit it into one of the 5 parts of the wall. In this case, the left side of the wall. Let me see if I can get up here. Oops. And fit that in there. All right, so then I can hit return to deselect it, go back to Photoshop, or I'm sorry, Google Images, go find myself another image. Let's see if I can find a different one. I like this one right here. No. All right, right here. No. Trying to get something without any words on it. All right, there we go. Right click, copy image, Command C to paste it. It's not a very big image in this case. So I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Distort. And I'm going to bring that down here. This over here. See if I can find a good image. You can see how wonderfully it distorts. It's kind of nice. All right. Let's go find another one in Google Images. I do like this one. All right, this looks like a good one. It has, oh no, it has some pattern in it. Let's try this image. All right. Right click, Command V. All right, I'm going to put this one in the back. So this one I'm going to put right here. And then I'm going to go to Image, Transform, Scale this time. And I'm going to take the corner of it and fit it into the back. All right, so we got 3 walls in. Let's get the ceiling in. Let's find another image that I can use for the ceiling. Click on that, right click, copy image, go back to Photopea and paste, Command V, put it in the, kind of set it up sort of, oh, that's kind of what I had already. Geez. Let's put it over there, go to Edit, Transform, Distort, and I'm going to take this over to there. Let's take this up. to there. Let's get this in its place. Take this corner over here. All right. Set that in. One more to fill that in. Let's get something new, something unusual. Let's see what I can find. All right, we'll use this as the bottom. I think I already have that one. Geez, let's use this one. Copy, image, Command V. I'm going to put this in at the bottom here. Transform, distort. I'm going to try to bring it down. Oh, this is going to get really snugged in there. All right, so I've got something. So I've got this all figured out, the box or the room, but I want right now to fill in the rest around it. So I'm doing a copy image, right click. I'm going to paste that in, and I'm just going to select these and just kind of put them on the face value straight in all the way around. So I'm going to get a couple of those before I cut off here. This is a nice one. Copy, paste it in. Oh, that's got some problems with it, but we're not going to be able to, we won't have to deal with that. Kind of put that there, and I'm just going to fill in all the way around. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to find a bird. So I'm going to find a bird, and I want to put a bird in there. So I'm going to get a bird image. Let's see which one of these birds look good for me. I like, let's grab this one, see if that works. I'm going to copy that, paste that in. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to select Magic Cut. And you'll watch what happens here. This is quite amazing. So it automatically takes out the background. I've got to kind of clean it up a little bit. Try to get rid of some of this and then some of this. Let's see if that cleans out. Yeah, let me try to get some more of that cleaned up. It's a little bit lagging. See if that worked. Oh, that didn't work so good. Let's see if I can. Well, we're going to take it as is. So I'm going to say okay to it and accept it. It looks kind of nice. Just the way it's sitting, it looks really nice. I like it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play with the image. I'm going to inverse the image, the colors of it. So I'm going to go image, adjustment, invert, kind of play with it that way. I can do a lot of different things that I can play with it. Also go to layer styles, and do a drop shadow behind it. And say yes to that. You can kind of see it sitting in there. I can do a lot of different things with playing with it, but I'm going to stop right here. I want you to fill in the whole area with patterns, black and white patterns, and then have an animal. It could be a tiger, a bear, or whatever it is, birds or anything, something colorful, a leopard, and place that animal inside the box, inside the caged area.